The cases of coronavirus in the country have risen from 16 to 22. This is according to the Ministry of Health. Minister of Health Chitalu Chilufya says the 6 new cases have come from people who came in contact with those who tested positive, as well as those who flew into the country from coronavirus high-risk areas such as Pakistan. Dr. Chilufya says the ministry is making all efforts to trace everyone who has come into contact with those who have tested positive.
When we tested the next 72 contacts in the last 24 hours, 6 were confirmed positive. That brings our total number of laboratory confirmed COVID-19 cases to 22. This 6 out of 72 shows that the number of positive cases out of the numbers that we're tracking is much, much smaller. We have managed to isolate some in our isolation facilities at Tuvalange and at Levy, and we have managed to ensure that we've investigated all the suspected cases in isolation that were symptomatic. And it's important to note that 12 who were symptomatic and were admitted in isolation facilities and tested negative rather, have been discharged. They have been discharged. Further, it's also important to note that we have followed up in excess of 3,000 travelers who have come into the country from COVID high-risk countries, and 700 plus have already hit the 14-day quarantine period and have been discharged from the quarantine, self-quarantine. We're still following up close to 1,300 for any symptoms, and I must state that they are cooperating very well to the quarantine rules. That is the current situation, and I want to emphasize that Zambia's surveillance system has been alert enough to pick up suspects. The system has been well structured to isolate suspects, investigate them. Those who are positive managed to keep them in our isolation facilities where we're treating them. And as I speak today, all the 22 that are under our care are stable.
The Ministry of Health has also called on public transport to observe social distancing and ensure that essential facilities such as hand-washing basins and sanitizers are made available. Meanwhile, Dora Silia, who is Information and Broadcasting Minister, has called on members of the public to continue exercising personal hygiene and says anyone with symptoms of the virus should go for testing and observe self-quarantine.
So please, let us stay at home if we can, and government will continue to give guidance on essential activities for all of us that should continue while others progressively come to a shutdown.
She has also called for a stop to all unnecessary travel and asked that all churches with more than 250 members should not meet, as that is overcrowding. The Information Minister says people should instead embrace personal prayers and has called on law enforcement agencies to visit anyone violating the law. Zipporah Mushala, Movie TV News, Lusaka.